Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Dr. Pimple Popper is probably one of the most fascinating and informative channels on YouTube, offering a unique blend of medical expertise and engaging entertainment. It's a must-watch for anyone interested in dermatology, skincare, or simply satisfyingly strange videos. But before you dive in headfirst, let's explore what makes this channel so captivating and what to consider before subscribing. Number 5. MENOLY Pimple Popper Tool Kit. This kit provides a hygienic and effective way to remove acne and blemishes, giving you clearer skin. It's much cleaner than using your fingers. The tools are designed for easy and precise use, helping you achieve better control. Made of high-quality stainless steel with an anti-slip handle, it ensures safe and comfortable use on all skin types. Whether you have sensitive, oily, or dry skin, this kit is perfect for tackling those pesky pimples and blackheads. The kit comes with a leather case for easy storage and carrying, making it perfect for travel or keeping in your bathroom. For best results, use it only on ripe acne. Remember to disinfect the tools before and after each use. Refer to the included instructions for proper usage. What we like? It's more hygienic than using fingers, made from safe, high-quality stainless steel, and suitable for all skin types. If you prioritize hygiene and safety while treating blemishes, and want a versatile tool for various skin types, this is the one for you. What people say. The 10-piece set has everything you need to safely and effectively remove blackheads and blemishes without damaging your skin. Each tool is made of high-quality stainless steel, feels sturdy, and is easy to clean. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the variety of tools makes it versatile for different needs. Plus, the kit comes in a convenient case, keeping everything organized. Number 4. BESTOPE Blackhead Remover. This 5-piece tool kit helps easily remove blackheads, pimples, and whiteheads. It's designed for different shapes and sizes of blemishes. It features a double-headed design to effectively target various blemishes. Each head is carefully crafted for precision and ease of use. Made from electroplated stainless steel, it's hypoallergenic and gentle on all skin types. You can use it with confidence, knowing it won't irritate your skin. The anti-slip handle provides better control and accuracy, minimizing the risk of skin damage. This ensures a comfortable and effective treatment. It comes in a protective metal case, keeping it clean and organized. This makes it perfect for travel and on-the-go use. Always ensure your blemishes are mature before using it. Remember to clean it with rubbing alcohol before and after each use for hygiene. What we like? This tool has a double-headed design for different blemish shapes, is made from anti-allergic materials, and comes in a convenient travel case. If you need a versatile and portable solution for various blemish types and have sensitive skin, this is a great option. What people say. These work great for easy removal of blackheads. The case has a foam insert for easy storage. These tools are sturdy and do a great job. Strong, easy to use, and it works. It's good to have the pointy one also. Number 3. Spin Master Games Pimple Pete. Get ready for a silly and exciting game night with Pimple Pete. It's easy to learn and fun for the whole family, perfect for kids aged 5 and up. Load the pimples into Pete's face, fill the Megazit plunger with water, and start popping. Be careful though, or you'll trigger the Megazit and get sprayed. Each pimple you pop earns you points, but avoid the Megazit at all costs. The player with the most points wins and becomes the Pimple Pete champion. It's a race against the clock and your own dexterity. Some pimples are easy, others are tricky. Will you be careful enough to avoid the exploding Megazit? This fun game is brought to you by Dr. Pimple Popper herself. It's a hilarious and engaging experience for everyone. It's the perfect game for family gatherings, birthdays, or any time you want some fun and laughter. Gather your friends and family for a memorable game night. Inside you'll find Pimple Pete's head, a spinner base, 18 pimples, the Megazit plunger, and instructions. Everything you need for hours of pimple popping fun. What we like? It's a fun and silly family game with an exploding element and is endorsed by Dr. Pimple Popper. If you're looking for a lighthearted and engaging game for family game night, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Game is super easy to set up. Play is fast, so little kids don't get bored. No reading required to play, no batteries, not complicated at all. The zits are squishy and easy to put in the face, easy to pull the small ones all the way through, so pull gently. There are 3 sizes of pimples, which are the point values for winning. Spin and pull the zit from the area indicated. It was really durable. Number 2. I Do Care Dual Tip Pimple Tool. I Do Care creates fun and effective skincare solutions for everyone. We're all about making skincare enjoyable and accessible. This innovative tool gently tackles blackheads, whiteheads, and blemishes. It's designed for a healthy, clean complexion. One end features a sharp needle to open pores, while the other has a loop for effectively removing impurities. It's the perfect combination for blemish care. Made from safe, hygienic stainless steel, it's simple to clean and maintain. Just follow the easy instructions for best results. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel. Keep it in your bag and stay blemish-free wherever you go. Always clean it before and after use. Use the needle to open pores, then the loop to gently remove blemishes. Remember to use it properly. Keep it away from children because the needle is sharp. Don't use it on unripe blemishes or acne. Always prioritize skin health. What we like. It features a dual tip design for different stages of blemish treatment, is easy to clean, and is conveniently travel-sized. If you prefer a precise and portable tool for blemish removal and appreciate easy maintenance, this is a good option. What people say. The tip is so sharp and pops the sucker so easily. The other end really gets the gunk out and I put a pimple patch and it's flattened the next day. Feels really good quality and much better than using my fingers. My old one of these had a wire-like loop on the end that bent back and forth easily whenever I used it. This one is a thick piece of metal that forms the loop. It's super sturdy and won't bend. The needle is nice and sharp, which is why I got it. So it serves my purpose. Number 1. SLMD Skincare Set. This 30-day skincare system is developed by a dermatologist to help you achieve clearer, more radiant skin. It's a simple, effective routine you can follow every day. It combines powerful, science-backed ingredients used by dermatologists. These ingredients work together to support clearer-looking skin and promote overall skin health. It promotes skin renewal with retinol and salicylic acid. This helps improve skin texture and supports a clearer complexion, leaving your skin smooth and refreshed. This convenient kit comes in TSA-compliant sizes, perfect for travel, your gym bag, or quick touch-ups on the go. It's ideal for busy lifestyles. The hyaluronic acid moisturizer provides lightweight hydration, leaving your skin soft and comfortable. It helps maintain a balanced, healthy look without clogging pores. Thousands of people trust this system to maintain smooth, radiant skin. It's dermatologist approved and suitable for all skin types. What we like. This system is developed by a dermatologist, promotes clearer skin, and comes in travel-friendly sizes. If you're looking for a comprehensive and convenient skincare system backed by dermatological expertise, this is the one for you. What people say. Love this stuff. Over 50 and still getting blemishes, but now I rarely get them. My skin is smoother as well. I had been battling breakouts on my nose mostly for years. Thought it was rosacea, but the meds didn't take care of the breakouts at all. Within a couple of days treatment with this product it was completely gone and hasn't come back. So, let me just say, I am 62 years old, oily skin, breaks out and sensitive skin. This system works, my skin looks great and no sensitivity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.